Now this is really exciting, part of a new range of toys by RiiRoo. We have the very latest officially licensed 12-volt Jaguar F-Pace S Sports ride-on car. Taking inspiration from the F-Type, the F-Pace is a head-turning SUV with a unique sporting look and upgraded chrome ultra all-terrain wheels. This is where luxury certainly meets style and is about as close as it gets for your kid to drive the real thing. It's suitable for children of up to 6 years of age or up to 115 centimeters in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, start-up engine sounds, integrated multimedia console, 2.4 GHz parental remote control, opening doors, official brand stickers and badges, and a safety belt.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. We give our customers the option to purchase our key-shaped USB sticks, which are compatible with this ride-on's onboard media player. All-wheel suspension maintains ride comfort on uneven surfaces. Padded leather style seats. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at riiroo.com, where we offer free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.